Aloha, hey, welcome to Waikiki Rocks. Aloha! Hey, it's good to see you. Thanks for joining me. This morning, I want to show you a breakfast institution, actually, here on Kalakaua, right across from Waikiki Beach. It is called Eggs and Things. Man, this has been around for I don't know how many years. I'll show you the sign in a second. Excellent breakfast, excellent view. Nobody in line this morning. I think I can get in pretty quick. Let me show you this breakfast and a little bit about the area right around Eggs and Things here in Waikiki Beach. Hey, come on, let's go get something to eat. Of course, I was wrong. Just because there's not a line doesn't mean they're not already busy. So here at Eggs and Things, you put your name and your phone number, some information, how many in your party, and then they send you a text once a table is available. Right now, it's about 90 minutes. So you know what? They're right next door to a McDonald's. So I'm gonna run in McDonald's, grab a cup of coffee, go sit at the beach and wait for my reservation at Eggs and Things. Come on, let's just go get some coffee. I'm ready. Thank you. You know, this might be the best deal ever. Got my McDonald's coffee right here on Waikiki Beach. Look at this, 7:30 in the morning, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm waiting for breakfast at Eggs and Things right next door. Oh man, doesn't get any better than this. Hey, if you're gonna be waiting for Eggs and Things, you might as well be enjoying a cup of McDonald's coffee on one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Waikiki Beach. Cheers. Thank you, appreciate it. what I recommend, guys. Certainly get your name on the list and get over to the beach. You may have anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half before you'll actually get breakfast. Go walk around, get out in the water, do whatever you want to do, but make sure you use that time wisely because you're going to be waiting about an hour. Aloha, and thanks again for watching, guys. Waikiki rocks, man. Let me tell you, I love the Waikiki area, especially the Waikiki Beach. Had a great breakfast at Eggs and Things. You know, I had to wait a little bit, but I enjoyed walking around. And then I got a text that my table was ready. All right, make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss anything about Waikiki that I'm going to be doing. Lots of beaches, resorts, hotels, a lot of restaurants. You'll want to keep track of it. Also, make sure you hit the like button and also send me some comments, man. I love to hear from you guys. Look at that beach. Waikiki rocks. Take care.